What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're having an amazing day. I know it's been a while since I last posted. Today is where we're going to be going on a little adventure and we're going to be taking a trip on a plane. But on our way to the airport we're meeting up with a friend of mine. So this is the first time I'm ever traveling with anyone that is within my immediate circle. So I hope you guys stay locked for that. Okay, so right now we're at the airport and I'll go check in all of my luggage, get something to eat. Look like a Mexican dish. I got chicken, fries, tomato, mango, sour cream, nacho sauce, green onions. It would taste almost like a fries supreme. That's what you get from Taco Bell. The chicken is well seasoned. The other flavors are authentic. This is J-Ron.
Just say J.
So we made it through the airport. There was a little bit of problem, but once we made it through, everything was perfectly fine.
I love this place. It's beautiful. Amazing. I'm having an amazing time. First time out here in Jamaica, man. This shit is lovely. I'm enjoying myself, having a wonderful time. Finna get a drink popping right now, and you know what I'm saying? Just try to.
Oh, that's mine. Thank you very much. I wasn't able to get a jerk chicken. Here's what we just settled for. It's very fulfilling, but it's not really the main course. So you have to just get a mouthful. We've reached finally. I'm still kind of tired though. Exhausted. Very, very tired. So we're not even resting. We're not even getting a little break. We have to go back on the road again. I'm not even sure what time we're gonna be back in, but tomorrow is a different day. So yeah, as you guys can see inside of the place. But yeah, but guys, until then, today we're at this little Airbnb. We have a lot of fruit trees and the breeze is just beautiful. Environment, the atmosphere, so warm, so hot, humid. We don't really have anything planned for today. We're just gonna record as it goes. You look straight out here, there's a coastline. This is very peaceful. You could just fall asleep with no form of issues. As you guys can see, nothing too fancy. You definitely need your Crocs for sure. Air out the feet a little bit, give the foot enough time to, give you the toes enough time to breathe. Look at that. Look at the colors in the back. You have colors on both sides. These corners are no joke. Very sharp. You have to be well experienced to drive on these roads. These guys are just up at the front doing their thing. How you liking your stay?
It's Guzzo.
Beautiful. That's normally his word, but Gozo is the new one in his vocabulary. So we make a quick little stop to get a little spring water, but unfortunately we don't have anything to put it in, so we're just gonna have to try it. Yeah, just to get a little bit of the spring water. Drinking water right here.
Yeah, man, natural.
Natural spring water.
Come out of the rock then.
It's coming out of the rocks. You can see there's nothing here, just all bushes. Drink some of the water, it's so fresh. The way you drink this water, you just don't want the water to finish. It's just cold and nice and chilled. It's not room temperature water, but it's more dense with the coldness and everything, just with the environment, you know. It's just nice. You can't beat an opportunity like this. This opportunity is just a once in a lifetime experience, especially when you're coming to a place that you've never been before. You want to enjoy it. We're now on the land of Nanny of the Maroons, a very historical individual. We are going to be visiting her shrine. We're going to be visiting her historical memorial museum. We're going to be finding out what the rich history of Moortown is all about today. Oh, so that means to say years ago.
Oh, I mean I put none. Every time I cut them, I just scrape off it.
Yeah.
Things like this. And that never broke.
Nah, bro. Extremely tired.
Walking up this hill, some good exercise, y'all.
Especially for someone who is not versed in the land like this. It's quite a scenic experience. The ambience of everything that is around, including the sound of nature. People even come up here to do marriage proposal. It comes out like this, and then it turns into something like this, but it has to shed all of the other little fibers that are on it. And look at this. This is how a fern plant actually look, just like a baby embryo. This is known as calabash. They pick it, empty out the contents on the inside of it, and they would turn it into bags, plates, dish. There are 2 Maroon communities located in Portland alone. The first one is in the Jonker Mountains and the second one is in the Blue Mountains. Nanny of the Maroons, or Queen Nanny as popularly known, was a Maroon leader in Jamaica during the 17th and 18th century. Also, Maroons were slaves in the Americas who escaped and formed independent settlements. Nanny herself was an escaped slave who was shipped from Western Africa. We are at the point between Millbank, Comfort Castle, Ginger House and Bellevue. People jump from here?
Yeah, when the rain falls.
What they tend to do is just, they get the bamboos and then they tie down 4 different points on the raft. It naturally floats because bamboo is built for that kind of purpose. Anytime you're ready, the shade is there, the food, the natural elements of society. Look, you even have a coconut tree right here. We can maybe pick like a jelly or something, and then anytime you're ready, you just burst it open and just drink. Welcome to Barrydale Rafting, guys. Anything that has to do with rafting, they do it here. Just for 2 person, 14,000, and it bring you all the way to St. Margaret's Bay. 3.5 hours.
8 miles to river.
You guys want to pull over on the raft while having the little excursion? You have a lady that actually cook on the riverside. You can pull over and eat food at a restaurant just down the stream.
If you want to spend from up, if you come down 2 hours, you can get it. If you want 1.5 miles, you can get it. If you want 1.5 hours, you can get it. If you want 1 hour, you can get it, but you can get less than an hour. We can organize. You have 2 cook where we're going to stop. Now if your vehicle, one of the driver, one of the guy them, you're going to go to work and making carry down the vehicle come down here. Then you take back a taxi from down here and come back up and just go raft.
Okay.
So that means that when you're done, your vehicle is right beside you.
Yeah.
But if you go to 8 miles now in here at all, that'll go take like 3.5 or 4 hours. When me say that is because you go tap, you go swim, you go stay with the lady we then call Miss Melinda and eat some nice food. Because him cook nice food just as them people here.
So guys, we end up stopping off in the town, got some food. I end up getting a natural juice. This is beetroot with ginger. We're going to be planning some stuff within the next upcoming days. You know, that is it guys. I'm gonna eat this little food. And get ready for tomorrow. Well, they actually said that they wanted to do something else tonight, but I am exhausted. The heat plus everything else in between, it's a lot to deal with. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching again, and please like, share and subscribe.